Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change between the 12 and 24-hour clock on your BOSE Music System. This one here at the moment is currently on AM and PM. Let's change it to 24-hour clock. What we want to do is make sure it's plugged in. It doesn't matter whether it's on or in standby. We're going to hold down the menu button here, which is just underneath where it says alarm and time. You need to hold it down for a couple of seconds, this button here. So hold it down for a couple of seconds. And then it's brought up this menu here. To work our way around the menu, we're going to be using the left and the right buttons here, and to enter into it we're going to be pressing the plus on the time just here. So let's see what it says here. We're going to keep going to the right until we get to time. You see at the moment it's 12 hour. If I hit the plus button, it will change to 24 hour. Hit plus again, 12 hour. So basically go over to 24 hour, and now what I'm going to do is just hold down the menu button again. And you will now see it is in the 24 hour. The AM and PM has gone. Obviously, if it's 24 hour and you want to change it to AM, PM, you just put it to 12 hours. So I'm going to quickly do that now. Hold down the menu there. Go to that one there, plus there, and then hold down menu. And that's it. You can now see a little PM there because we've gone over back to 12 hour. Thanks for watching.